Get yourselves together now, because it's hit time. They're known as the hit makers, record breakers, money makers. They'll make your back crack, your liver quiver. For all you cats, they're bound to put more dips in your hips, more cut in your strut, more glide in your stride. If you don't think that, you got a hole in your soul. If you don't think this mess, you came to the wrong address. They're gonna sing mighty loud and clear.
Hey yo, the music made them jump back. Fuck that, how y'all gonna come track something fat without letting Ali touch that? Nothing whack, leave his lips. You're not serious, I got few equals and no superiors. So here he is, a seasoned veteran, an ego wrecking. I turn it up another notch to keep the people guessing. Y'all ain't fucking with the odds of with your feeble session. Double teaming for the evening so you heed the lesson. So go.
Looking at me like they know me. Only about as far as they drunk ass can throw me. Do it, somebody's bound to catch it. No breakage, never that. We keep it basic like breakfast, so taste it. The vitamins are subtle, so tighten up the sluggle. Even try to decipher the puzzle, but shut up though.
Fuck that, sucker, jump back.
I hold the game like Notre Dame, I know your dame.
We call a hunchback.
I'll run that.
From cat's lips to God's ears, we line y'all punk bastards and crosshairs, applying our thug tactics till y'all scared. Don't stop till your drunk ass hits the back stairs.
Fuck that, jump back, yo, what's that? Dripping off her nuts, wait, why she got a nutsack? You fucking rappers are she-males, from the retail to the email. The feet felt cause you need help.
Y'all need to watch and observe and then follow. If we open for y'all, it's still our show. I hear the same bullshit wherever I go, like y'all need to watch and observe and then follow. If we open for y'all, it's still our show. I hear the same bullshit wherever I go, like
Stepping to
Ah, yeah, they get their shit spun. I throw a roll of corners and ciphers and bet I hit.
Yo, I don't care where you represent, son. Where's your chick
We'll
from?
take her out for breakfast if you wanna let your lips run.
Listen, I know your mission. Some type of magician that likes to go fishing on the mic with airtight precision. Elitism, keeping tradition when you ain't even keeping the rhythm. The DJ is spinning. Calm down, little camper. I've got the answers. You should fuck exotic dancers. You should grow a pair of tits and some antlers. It doesn't matter, turn it up. What the fuck you think that is?
I write wrongs, write rhymes, write my name in the snow. And I could use all of that to bend the frame of your hoe. And I should, but instead I'll just pay the waiter and go. But if I didn't have a wife, yo, your kids would be albinos. Your respect is like a stick in the grass. Mean mugs are tree hugs, I'll go on without it. I wear my toilet paper so that y'all can kiss my ass with your tongue out and write a love song about it.
Write that shit inside of your book full of funny little scribbles. The love comes in vomit, the money comes in dribbles. The Minnesota missiles, self-taught communication mutilation, holding pictures of your sister naked.
You're too drunk to walk down the stairs, and now you standing here choking on my pubic hairs, telling me your name as if you think the brother cares. If you keep bumping your gums, then we can fucking take it there.
I'll make a room full of punk rock, stop and do the why.
Wrestle shots from a cop and ask him who's your pop.
Who's your daddy? Fuck that, jump back and act happy.
Sing my fucking chorus if I punch you in your face.
y'all need to watch and observe and then follow. If we open for y'all, it's still our show. I hear the same bullshit wherever I go, like y'all need to watch and observe and then follow. If we open for y'all, it's still our show. I hear the same bullshit wherever I go, like
Keep trying to keep it real, I'm keeping it raw. While half of y'all still be keeping it flawed. And all the real heads scream, fuck hip-hop, until this mediocre bullshit stops. Drug fiends, let me show you the route. Who's that motherfucker still keeping it dope in the house? It's Motor Mouse. It's Motor Mouse, baby. It's Motor Mouse. Whenever I write, I put myself out of place from other cats, so it don't sound like another brother's rap. I smother tracks with raw shit niggas aren't able to bite. What I bring to the table is hype that I easily supersede. Niggas need what I got, reason I'm hot. There's no other raw MCs in the pot. While most motherfuckers follow the guidelines of Hip Hop 101, Jakada Motor Mouth decides to have fun, not following rules, swallowing crews. So I toss cats off of the stage, often I slay they soft raps. To all you fake dictionary MCs, get off that. Half of y'all don't understand your own rhymes and soft batch. They straight at open mics, but put them out on the street. Take away they dope beat, let them rhyme and they weak. And the mic can be a deceiving device. Muffle your rhymes so they ain't clear and concise. Have niggas thinking you nice. Let's battle, I crack on your gear and all your whack raps. You can't be saved by your babbling or your backpack. Doing it for the love is great, but you fake. And putting your shit out is a mistake nobody wants to make. Keep trying to keep it real, I'm keeping it raw. While half of y'all still be keeping it flawed. And all the real heads scream fuck hip hop until this mediocre bullshit stops. Drug fiends, let me show you the route. Who's that motherfucker still keeping the dope in the house? It's Motor Mouth. It's Motor Mouth, baby. It's Motor Mouth. Hate when I go to open mics and I see everybody clapping for some clown they don't understand. Yet everybody acting like he dope cause they believe it's hip hop. Y'all convincing me that most of y'all are brainwashed, stuck in old hip hop history. Some cats they crap out they tracks cause they weak. I wish a nigga would say he listen to me for the beats. Some got the nerve to say they dope when they spit, when even they family got a tape and they won't open the shit. I got a big mouth and I ain't scared to use it. One person's kid style allows everyone to abuse it. So what the fuck is your definition of underground? Depressing beats and bleak cats who love the sound? Well, I ain't part of that, I'm taught of rappers garbage. I'm the part of the underground who only feels the raw shit. And I can take a nigga out regardless. You can bring your hardest artists and I'll make them harmless. Some say they lyrically this or lyrically that, throwing lyrical in every rap and they lyrically whack. And many cats rhyme over tracks nobody fiends for. Don't fuck around with me if you can only fuck with keyboards. Just cause lazy niggas use recognizable material don't mean that dope samples are not original. Cause a producer with skill can lace tracks and keyboard beats aren't that original, let's face facts. That shit was overused in the G-Funk era. Don't give me that excuse, real MCs want better. Y'all rhyme over enough shit. Most get away with murder, like kids who think they words rhyme cause of the suffix. Must bitch niggas be fragile with facts. You brag about who you battle, but who you battle was crap. What you angry for and acting all tense? If you innocent, be cool, only the guilty's catching offense.